How's it going? My name is Kaiwin and I'm part of the Oneboard's marketing team. Today, the first section of the video dedicated to the blog, I will show you how to sign up for Oneboard. So may I direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here is the highlighted purple button named Sign Up. So to sign up for Oneboard, simply click in the sign up portal, as you can see here. You have three options when it comes to sign up. You can use Google, Facebook, or your own email outside of Google. So for this clarification purpose, I'll just use Google for now. And so once you've selected an account you want to proceed with Google, Oneboard will automatically register and sign you up for Oneboard. So as you can see here, here is our home drive. Once you signed up, this is where it'll bring you. And every time after that, let's say you log into Oneboard with this account, your account, it will bring you to the export page. So every time following the sign up, once you've logged in, you'll see the export page. And so in the next section of the video, I will go into detail about how to use this export page.